Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make stew chicken wings. First, let's get those wings ready. Begin by thoroughly cleaning and patting dry about 2 pounds of chicken wings. This step is crucial for achieving crispy skin later. Next, season them generously with 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Allow the wings to marinate for at least 30 minutes. This really helps the flavors penetrate deeply into the meat, making every bite delicious. Now, let's sear those wings to lock in all that amazing flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully add your seasoned chicken wings in batches, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Brown them for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust. Remove the browned wings and set them aside, leaving all those delicious drippings in the pot for the next step. With the wings seared, it's time to build the rich and aromatic stew base. In the same pot, add 1 chopped onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, and 1 diced bell pepper. Sauté these aromatics for about 5 minutes until they soften and become fragrant. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and cook for 1 minute, allowing its flavor to intensify. Finally, deglaze the pot with 1 cup of chicken broth, scraping up all those flavorful brown bits from the bottom. We're almost there. Return your beautifully browned chicken wings to the pot, nestling them into the rich stew base. Add 1 can of diced tomatoes and 1/2 cup of water or additional chicken broth to ensure everything is nicely submerged. Bring the stew to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it cook for 45 to 60 minutes. The wings will become incredibly tender, and the flavors will meld beautifully, creating a truly comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.